Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Ovii. Today I'm going to take you on a room tour in the beautiful red city of Ibadan. Okay, facts about Ibadan. One of Nigeria's oldest city. Yeah, and also famous for Amala, which I don't like. So we're going to jump right into it. So I'm staying in a room called Stockholm, Sweden. Yeah, Europe in Nigeria. And that's my bed. Really huge, massive bed. I love to sleep. I love to walk on the bed, so I guess this is right for me. And now this is my wardrobe. Mini wardrobe for one. And there's my mini ironing board. Yay! Hello. Yeah, and this is one of my favorite parts of the room. Another mini towel place. And then a mirror, because we pretty boys like to take good care of ourselves. That's my wash basin, and where I do this stuff. You don't need to know that. And I also have a water heater. I can't remember the last time I had my bath with cold water. And that's the shower. Very, very important. Now, that's my mini parlor where I receive visitors, if I had any. And that's the fridge, food. We need to feed ourselves. And my TV, because I love movies and CNN and news and stuff. I love to watch videos. An air conditioner that I always turn off because I'm always cold. And a nice view. Yay, me. I love the views in the morning, so bright. Sometimes it's wet. And artwork, because I love art. Inspirational. Yes, an old Essence magazine. Don't know what issue this is, but I mean, as a fashionable person, I have to stay in style. You know what I mean? I guess you understand. So, well, there you have it. And to enjoy more of this video, subscribe to my channel. Just click right there. Yes, click right there for more exploration around the world.